Welcome to WCSU Library Tutorials. In this video, we'll be covering the Ruth Haas Library. The Haas Library is located on the northwest side of the Midtown campus, between the parking garage and the quad. During regular hours, the library is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mondays to Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Fridays, and from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. on the weekends. From the main entrance, the circulation desk is located to the right. Here, you can check out items including books, DVDs, and course reserves. To the left, you'll find a hallway that leads to the archives in the Midtown Computer Center. Through this doorway on the left, you can make your way down to our archives and special collections, open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Thursday, or by appointment. If you continue down the hallway, you'll reach the Computer Center, which is open 24 hours and has printers available to students and faculty. On the main floor beyond the glass elevator, you'll find tables, chairs, and computers to use for studying. In the back of this area, you will find the Research Assistance Area. Here you can meet with a librarian to learn the ins and outs of conducting college-level research for papers and projects. Make sure to check our website to see when this desk is staffed by a librarian or to book a one-on-one appointment. On the second floor, you'll find the Tutoring Research Center. Here you can meet up with peer tutors that'll help you reach all your studying goals. Check out their webpage to book an appointment and learn more about the subjects they cover. On the third floor, you'll find the Writing Center. Here, you can book consultations to help you make informed decisions about your writing. Also located on the third floor are the periodicals and government documents, as well as Classroom 312 and our collection of DVDs. On the fourth floor, you'll find more classrooms and computer labs. If your classroom is scheduled to meet in rooms 411 or 413, this is where you'll find them. On the fifth floor, you'll find Meeting Room 508. The fifth floor is also home to the library's collection of children's literature, located near the entrance to the glass elevator. In addition to all of these services, you will also be able to locate study rooms on the third and fourth floor that are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Rooms can be booked in person at the circulation desk. Outside of study rooms, the fourth and fifth floors are the quietest spaces in the library to catch up on homework. Aside from the library's physical space, it's important to become very familiar with its digital space as well. From the library's homepage, there are several features that you can access. West Search, the library's catalog of physical and digital holdings. A list of all of the academic databases that WCSU subscribes to. Our collection of LibGuides, or research guides, that are tailored by librarians to each area of study. And our Journal Finder, used to help locate academic journals whether they are within or outside of our collection. Make sure to check out each of our videos on these resources to get a more in-depth look at their uses and features. Keep an eye out for this chat icon. When it's orange, it means that a librarian is ready to answer your questions via a live chat. When it's grayed out, it means that your question will be placed into a queue, and a librarian will respond to you via email within the next few days. Thanks for watching this video. For more information on the WCSU libraries, make sure to check out our website, as well as our YouTube page, for more tutorials. Welcome to WCSU Library Tutorials. In this video, we'll be covering the Ruth Haas Library. The Haas Library is located on the northwest side of the Midtown campus.